Dozens of injuries and now 12 million vehicle recalls worldwide because of a faulty airbag that can send shrapnel flying into a driver's face. 18-year-old Ashley Parham died when her vehicle's airbag deployed after a minor accident. Now, a Texas woman has filed a lawsuit here in Houston against the airbag's manufacturer after she was permanently scarred. Tonight, Local 2 consumer expert Amy Davis has her story and what might be causing these dangerous incidents.
Stephanie Erdman and her friend were driving home from the movies, your typical Friday night out, when a car pulled in front of her 2002 Honda Civic.
A car took a left in front of me coming the opposite way.
The collision triggered the airbag inside her car, but instead of protecting her from the impact, shards of metal flew through the airbag cushion and into her face.
I had a piece of metal sliced from my right nasal bridge all the way up to my right eyebrow, and I also had pieces fly and get embedded into my right jawline.
Erdman lost part of her eyesight. She's had multiple reconstructive surgeries to rebuild her eyelid.
There has not been a day that's gone by that this has not affected me in some way.
She filed this lawsuit against Honda and Takata Corporation, which made the airbag, claiming the airbag's inflator was faulty, causing it to rupture. Houston attorney Rob Ammons represents Erdman.
It's the type of fender bender we see every day. And when the inflator ruptures, metal shards or shrapnel pierce through the cloth of the airbag, and they hit people, and they can lodge, in Stephanie's case, in her eye. In other cases, they've hit people in the neck.
12 million vehicles made by Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, GM, Ford, Chrysler, BMW, and Mitsubishi, dating all the way back to 2001, were made with these Takata model airbags. They're all covered in a recent worldwide recall. One automotive research group says Takata makes 22% of the world's vehicle airbags.
It's a unnecessary danger, and it's a hidden danger, and that's a lethal combination.
Federal regulators believe moisture in the air, particularly in humid climates like Texas and Florida, cause the inflator chemicals to burn too fast, creating too much pressure. They're urging owners to get repairs immediately, but many auto dealers say there aren't enough replacement parts to meet the demand.
This should have never happened.
Erdman wants to get the word out about the recall before there's another accident like the one that left her scarred.
I purchased this vehicle for safety purposes, and the item that was supposed to be safe for me caused more injury than helping me out at all.
Takata says it's cooperating with federal regulators and it will fully support the NHTSA investigation. If you want to check and see if your vehicle is included in the recall, we've got a link for you under the hot button of click2houston.com. I'm consumer expert Amy Davis, KPRC Local 2.
Now, Honda did not respond to our request for comment on this lawsuit, but just last week, the company apologized for the recall and said it would seek reimbursement from Takata if the company is found to be responsible for this airbag defect.